Hey guys, so last episode we left you at having the engine sandblasted and primed and everything like that. Today's video we're going to be painting it a beautiful colour. So we're going to spray it with VHT paint. We don't have enough time to actually strip the engine down. Quick job, neat job, it's a neat and tiny job, but we're not going to go with black or polish or anything like that we've done before. We're going to actually try experimenting with a new colour called Nu Cast Iron. Which is a VHT paint, and it's kind of like an anthracite graphite colour. That coupled with some satin black rocker colours, I think it's going to look absolutely beautiful. And then once we've decided on the colour, I'm pretty sure that we're going to go with an orange tank. We'll be running that really bright orange pipe down the side as well. It's going to look absolutely beautiful. So that is today's job at Diamond City Cycles. Let's get to it. So this is our gasket set that we're going to be working with. I definitely need the clutch cover from here, so let's get that out and then work our way through it. the day of the meet and greet, and this is what we're doing now. I mean, there's a few people already come here. Some people have traveled like an hour and a half, and others 4 hours to get here. It's unbelievable. So, I mean, there's still time to go. Shade Tree actually disappeared somewhere, but I think he's in the bathroom at the moment. So this is what we're doing. So I'm probably not going to film too much of it, but just a bit of behind the scenes for you. So that is it for now. We've obviously primed the engine in the previous episode, and now we've actually painted it in this beautiful Nu Cast VHT paint. Now obviously if we were doing a longer time frame job, we would have even stripped the engine down. And there's a few things you can perfect on the CX500 engine, like new rings, so you could pretty much make a new engine, but we don't have time for that. So the VHT paints for now is a brilliant solution, and obviously when you're putting the bolts and everything back on, it makes the engine look like new, and that's what we're going to achieve in 10 days. The next steps after this, I guess, we'll probably do the carbs in the next episode. The carbs we're doing, they're pretty hideous. My thinking about it is actually painting the carbs as well, but we'll come to see what we're going to do on that later on. So don't forget, tune in for that episode. Subscribe to Dime City Cycles YouTube channel and Instagram feed as well as mine. If you like what you see on this channel, then subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. Follow me on Instagram. There's even shots on Instagram of what this bike actually looks like when it's finished, because this video is going out after it's been built. Weird, I know. Kind of hard to get your head around. But more importantly, head to Dime City Cycles website on the link below, and you can donate $5 for an opportunity to win this bike if you can. So until then, ride safe, stay safe, and I'll see you next week for more CB, CX videos, or whatever comes in, really.